In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the jobs you've applied to on LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. If you're actively searching for new opportunities or simply want to keep track of your job applications, knowing how to navigate LinkedIn's job application section can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into it and make sure you know exactly where to find this information. First, you'll want to start by heading over to LinkedIn's website. Open your preferred web browser and go to linkedin.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you do, let's move on to logging in. You can sign in using Google, Microsoft, or by entering your email address and password directly on the login page. If you've set up two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account with a code sent to your phone. This is just an extra security measure to ensure that your account remains safe and secure. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look for the jobs icon at the top of the page. It usually looks like a small suitcase and is a hub for all job related activities on LinkedIn. Clicking on this will take you into the jobs section, where you can search for new positions or keep track of those you've already applied to. Within the jobs section, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation. Here you should see an option labelled My Jobs. Clicking on this will provide you with a comprehensive list of all the jobs you've applied for through LinkedIn. This feature is helpful not only for remembering the positions you've shown interest in, but also for reviewing any details or notes you might have made on specific applications. Now that you can see your applied jobs, LinkedIn offers additional tools to help you manage this list. For example, you can filter these jobs by their status. You'll notice options such as saved, in progress, applied, or even archived. Utilizing these filters allows you to narrow down your search results, making it easier to find specific jobs or simply to view those that are currently relevant to your search. Navigating this section of LinkedIn efficiently will help you manage your job search more effectively, ensuring that you never miss following up on an important application and that you can keep track of where you stand in your job search journey. Understanding where and how to find your applied jobs on LinkedIn will make the process smoother and reduce the stress often associated with job hunting. Thanks for joining me today. Happy job hunting.